In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into another account of Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram and hit on your profile icon to open up your profile page. Now here, hit on these three lines icon and select settings. And there scroll to the very bottom and there hit on add account, and there you can log into existing account or create new account. I'll select the first one, and there all you have to do is enter your phone number, username or email address in the first field and your account password in the second one. And I got some of my data here. All I have to do is just hit on that and then hit on login. And as you see, I log into my another account, and now I can simply switch between my accounts just by double tap on that profile icon. I make double tap and see what happened. I just changed to my another account. That's how it works, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.